Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on FlirtMe. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in flirtme.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official FlirtMe website. Now first of all, click on the login button if you see it at the top right corner to continue logging into your account using your Google or your Facebook or your credentials. After logging into your account, if you wish to delete your FlirtMe account completely, you can click on My Profile at the top left corner. Now once you tap on My Profile, you will be taken into your profile settings page. Now in order to delete your account, just hover over to the menu icon at the right side of your profile and you will find the delete account option. Go ahead and click on it and you will be told that all of your information and saved details will also be removed, and this process is irreversible. If you wish to continue, you can tap on the confirm button and you might be asked to enter your password. Just type in your password if you're asked to do so, and if you're asked to verify through your email, just log into your email address and click on the verification link. After you do this, your account deletion process will begin. So make sure not to log in for another 2 to 3 weeks to ensure that your account is completely deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on FlirtMe. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.